your girl Pretty Righteous here, and I'm back today with yet another watch me do my hair video. Today's video is very quick, easy, simple, and oh so affordable, y'all. I didn't spend any time or hardly any money doing this hair. It only took me about 2 minutes to do. I only paid $12.99 for it, and I ordered it from samsbeauty.com, and it is the Sensational instant bang with buns, and I got it in the style Carla with the color 1B. So yeah, ladies, it's very cute. It's like a soft bun, dome style bun that like the hair is like feathered and wrapped around it, so you can like move it and manipulate it a little bit. And the bang, it could be feathered out, it's layered. So yeah, I just tease it around a little bit, y'all, and this is the look I came out with. Like I said, it took no time, y'all. It's quick, easy, on the go type of hairstyle. Nothing that you need to put too much thought into, too much effort into. You can slay regardless, y'all. So yeah, if y'all like this look, you want to get into it, ladies, continue to watch on and stick through it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all.